Hey everyone! Ever wonder what goes hilariously wrong in the world of sewing? Well, buckle up because today we're diving into some of the funniest sewing fails you've never heard of. Let's kick things off with a real stitch in time, or rather, a designer stuck in time. Picture this: Paris, 1911, a bustling fashion show. A renowned Parisian designer in a rush of creativity accidentally sews herself right into her own garment. Can you imagine the scene? There she was, part of her own fashion lineup, walking down the runway, stitched into her creation. Talk about wearing your work. Moving on, did you know that in the 1800s sewing could be deadly? Yep, that's right. Seamstresses often used fabrics dyed with arsenic-laced green dye, which looked stunning but was far from healthy. This toxic trend caused serious illnesses and even led to the deaths of many workers. It's a stark reminder that fashion can sometimes come at a high price. And here comes a twist from the 1940s during World War II. Parachutes were a lifeline for many, and guess what? They were often sewn by hand. This led to a variety of qualities and, unfortunately, safety standards. Imagine jumping out of a plane hoping that the parachute you've got was sewn on a good day. So there you have it, 3 wild tales from the world of sewing that prove sometimes reality is stranger than fiction. I hope you found these stories as fascinating and, frankly, as amusing as I did. If you enjoyed this stitch-side look into sewing mishaps, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun videos. Got any sewing stories of your own? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear how your crafting adventures have gone.
Thanks for watching. Push the purple flower to subscribe and you can watch all kinds of awesome videos.